Make sure you stay up to date when we post. Turn on post notifications so it'll notify you as soon as we post. Let's get it. What's up, YouTube? What's up, YouTube? Yo, we got a brand new video for y'all today, man. Y'all seeing we did the asking ugly girls. You know, are we what? Oh, no. Asking girls, are we ugly? And you know, that boy did good, you know. People in the comic section saying we hella cute, we was hella sexy and shit. So we gonna do a part 2, man. We gonna see if any other girls think that we are not ugly. No. We said everybody in the video said he wasn't ugly, but in the comments, I was confused. I was like, they was like, y'all niggas ugly, y'all bug teeth as fuck. Oh man, they was just playing with us. The comments was funny as hell. Though. I ain't gonna lie, they was funny as hell. But we back here with another one, man. We gonna see if we can get a nice clean one. Everybody say we not ugly, so let's get it, man. Tiara. Hey, Tiara. Hey, Tiara. Yo, what's up? Hey. Hey, I gotta ask you a question. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I hear you.
Hey, are we ugly?
Are y'all ugly?
Yeah.
No, y'all look like some rappers though.
Some rappers? Hey, nah, we YouTubers though. YouTubers. You heard me? I said we YouTubers. We YouTubers. Yeah. Yeah, you in our video right now.
Wow. Come on, I'm on the video. Hey guys.
Alright, we out here. You alright? Hey. Cam from Nevada. Cam. Hey, Cam. Hey, yo, Cam, add time for us real quick. Add time, Cam. We gotta ask you a question real quick. Hey, can you put your face on the camera? Well, hold on. Pause. Are you a girl or a guy? Oh, hell no! Answer out that shit! Hey, Mac. We got Mac from New Hampshire. Hey, what's up, Mac? I just messaged her. Hey, add time. We gotta ask you a question. Real quick. Hey, are we ugly? I said, are we ugly? Are we ugly?
Was this a competition or something?
Nah. It's just a question.
Hey,
Celia. Hey, what's good? Whoa. Hey, for sure. Add time. We gotta ask you a question real quick. Hey, what's up, Cam? Hey, I fuck with your makeup. You looking good right now. Hey, I got a question for you. Are we ugly?
I'm sorry. Say that again, guys.
I said, are we ugly?
You guys are not ugly.
Hey. Hey, was you a YouTuber? You doing some makeup tutorials?
I'm not a YouTuber, at least not yet, but yeah, that's something I would do.
Yeah, you should go ahead and get on there and get paid, girl. Go ahead and get paid. Get that. Go ahead. Alright, though. We out though. We out though. I don't care what none of y'all niggas say in the comments. Y'all some You got better luck than I did. It's taking a while. I'm glad we woke up. Oh. We got Mimi. Yeah, she said she's Mimi from Shoe.
Hi.
Hey, what's up? Hold on. How old are you?
How old are you?
You like a little kid.
Your mom, the little kid.
Okay. You gotta go. Hey, Jess. And she put a whole entire bio in there. She did. Hey, yo, Jess. Hey, add time. Hey, Jess. Add time. We gotta ask you a question. Hey, put your face on the camera. I can't even see you. Hey, can we ask you a question? Hey, do you think we ugly? I said, do you think we ugly?
ugly, boy. Emma.
Hey, I don't know why she could have just answered the question. Why she being so difficult?
This is difficult. I saw this. This is difficult.
She didn't even say we was ugly. She didn't say we was cute. So we just finna let that be.
All right, come on.
You can't be the one.
Yeah. Hey, Molly.
Hey, Molly, can you hear us?
What?
Hey,
Oh,
you gotta
yeah.
ask your question.
Hey,
ask time.
ask
I
time.
gotta ask your question.
Hey, Molly, do you think we ugly? Yeah. Hey, do you think we ugly?
No, we are twins.
Yeah.
Alright, so that was it.
That was it. Alright, thanks,
Hey. They was like, I mean, y'all twins. I mean, I didn't really get that reason behind why we're not ugly because we twins. Like, so what? So you said if we're not a twin, you ugly?
I mean,
If you're not a twin, you ugly, man.
I mean, she said nah, and that's all that really matters.
Hey, this was we just talked to her.
I know, but we didn't know. We couldn't hear her.
No, we just talked to her. Oh. I thought the other girl's name was Nisha. All these girls be looking like Naya,
she liked to play basketball.
Naya.
Hey,
Ooh.
Hey, Naya,
Naya, add time real quick.
We gotta ask you a question.
Oh, he looks familiar. That me.
Hey,
I gotta ask you a question.
I gotta ask you a question real quick.
What's the fucking question?
Hey, are we ugly?
Hell yeah.
Stop playing. Are we ugly?
Y'all look like brothers. Y'all decent.
We decent.
So we not ugly?
You okay?
No, I'm saying like, are we? So we not ugly?
All right. Let's do it individual. Is he?
No.
Let's do it individual.
Let's do it individual. Am I ugly?
You are
No.
6.
No, don't.
You
no.
say you a 6? All right.
Don't rate me.
No. All right, no. Fuck. All right. Then what am I doing?
You a 2.
So you saying we not? So overall, you saying we not ugly?
No.
All right, cool. So
All
we
right,
not
cool.
ugly, y'all.
All
So
right,
we
all
got it. Hey. I appreciate you.
She was trolling.
I'm saying she trolled right from the beginning, man.
She was trolling. Hey, she was funny though. She said I was a 2, y'all.
W. Oh, she didn't.
Hey, what's up? Hey, real talk. Hey, we gotta ask you a question real quick. Hey, add time. Hey,
That's a whole ass dude, bro.
This a girl.
That's a dude, bro.
Yeah, I'm a girl.
So-
Big ass titties over here.
Yeah.
I didn't see him at first. To be
I ain't
honest.
see him either.
My apologies.
I the grill though. You got piss in your mouth. Yeah. Hey, I gotta ask you a question though. Hey, do you think we ugly?
No.
All right, cool. Cause you ugly as.
I feel kind of bad. I said that was a whole ass dude, bruh. That dead ass. I thought that was a dude. Just she said big ass cities on that song. I was like, oh. Ari.
Ari.
Hey,
Ari, add time.
Add time, Ari. Hold on. Not you, from the oldest one. Oh, wait. Okay, all y'all seem pretty old. Okay, for sure. Hey, I gotta ask all y'all a question right now.
What?
I gotta ask all y'all a question right now. Are we ugly? Not really.
Nah.
I mean, it's like a yes or no, you know.
It's a yes or no.
You said no.
No from all y'all. Alright, that's all we need to know. That's all we need to know. We good.
Hey, we got Emma. Hey,
Emma.
Emma, add time real quick.
Add time.
Add time to ask you a question real quick. Hey, are we ugly?
No.
No.
Baby boy.
I appreciate it, y'all. Hey, G, man, we not ugly, man. We not ugly.
I don't know what y'all be saying in the comments, man. I feel like, I don't know. I feel like y'all wouldn't be where we at right now or something. I don't know, man. Cause like, I don't know what y'all talking about saying like we was ugly. And everybody in the video saying we cute. Everybody in the live video was saying we weren't ugly.
I'm saying we gonna do a few more. We gonna do a few more just to confirm.
Yeah, just to confirm this shit, man.
Melinda from Cali.
Hey, Melinda. Hey, I gotta ask you a question at a time. Alright, for sure. Hey, are we ugly? I said, are we ugly?
Put yourself up one time.
One at a time?
Alright, 1, 2. I said, are we ugly? No, I'm not asking you which one cuter. I'm asking you, are we ugly?
No.
Alright, cool. That's all we need to know. That's all we need to know.
Okay.
Oh, I'm still on the app. I'm over here tweaking. I'm like, who made that noise?
Close out the app, dumbass.
I thought I did. I like moved my finger. My fault. Anyways. Oh, let me see. Alright, here we go. You want to do it?
Yeah. Hey, Jimmy. Hey, at time I gotta ask you a question real
Oh,
quick.
she cute as hell.
Hey, I gotta ask you a question. Hey, do you think we're ugly?
It's just some people that don't fuck with African features probably say that you're ugly.
What?
Wait, what? I said, do you think we're ugly?
I said no. And I said no, most ignorant people, they'll probably look at someone like you because you got like more African type features, like your bright nose, big lips, stuff like that. And they'll probably talk down that like, oh, he's not cute, he's dark, he's not cute.
Oh, okay.
She went into detail with it.
Yeah, you went to serious detail, but hey, I appreciate it though. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
You know what I'm saying?
Oh, we good.
Oh,
Kate. Come on, connect. Hey, Kate. Hey, I gotta ask. Hey, can you put your face in the camera? I gotta ask you a question. Huh?
Oh, what'd you say?
Hey, I gotta ask you a question.
What?
I gotta ask you a question.
What?
Wait, hold on. But first, can you put your face in the camera? Alright, cool. Hey, I gotta ask you, are we ugly?
What?
Are we ugly?
No.
Hey, ask your friend. Let me see your friend.
Yeah, I'm ugly. No, you're fucking beautiful.
Oh. Hey, alright, yo, shout out to you, K, man. Hey, shout out to you, K. Y'all in the video, bro. Hey, shout out to you, K. Alright, dudes.
Man, you know.
Alright, man.
Alright, y'all, man. We finna wrap up this video, man. Once again, went through the whole monkey session. Ain't nobody said we was ugly.
So, like, it ain't us. It's y'all, man. Like,
That's what I'm talking about. I just hate in the comments. Alright, y'all, we gonna wrap it up, man. Thanks for watching the video, man. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe, comment down in the comment section below, all that good stuff. And we out, man. We out.